Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will discuss about the set operations on SQL. The set operations are union, intersection and except operation. So we will discuss each of this using the SQL queries and how to transfer the relation using this set operation. The first operation we will use is the union operation. As we know from the relational algebra that the union operation gives us that two or more relations are combined together by joining all the attributes in a single relation. Now, when we are putting all the attributes in a single relation, it may have happened that some of the attributes in one relation is not present in this other relation. So when we combine these values together, we can have some null values in some attributes. And the values can be referred as NULL capital so that we can make them left blank in our list. Now we will use the union operation in SQL queries and join the distinct values or the duplicated values of a relation. Here we are unioning two queries, that is one the customer name from loan and another is the account number from the relation account. So the resultant list or the relation will consist two of the attributes customer name and account. And if there is not an account present to the customer, then it will be left blank. Or if there is no customer name against the account number, then again it will be left blank or null. Now that we want that no customer name will be duplicated in this relation, so we can use the keyword distinct to make only the distinct customer name to get joined with the account number on an account relation. And here is to write that. Now we can see that we have put the distinct keyword before the customer name attribute, so no duplicated customer name will be repeated in the resultant relation. Now if I want to take all the duplicated value of a customer name in the loan relation, that is get joined with this account relation, so we can put the keyword union all to make all the duplicate values present in the resultant relation. And it will look like now we have put this account or union all on behalf of the customer name, so only the duplicated values along with the repeated values, so all the duplicated values will be present in the resultant relation. Now we will do another operation that is also a set operation, which is the intersect operation. As the name suggests, that intersect operation performs common between two attributes of two different relations. Say for an example that in the union operation we are joining the customer name and account number, that is to different type of data type and different relation. But while we are using the intersect set operation, then the attribute we are using, even if from a different relation, their data type must be same. Otherwise, there would be an error from the SQL end that the pattern matching or the data type has not been matched. So we can match the customer name with a borrower name with a depositor name, and like that. But we cannot use that the customer name with an account number intersection, because we cannot get anything common between a customer name and account number. So how to use the intersect operation, we will see that. Here we are using two different queries that is joined with the intersect operation, and that will give some names in common. Say if the customer names in the account that are already the customer who are depositing some values in their account and which will be same as the D name. May not be in the exact same order, but there should be some common name between the customer name on the loan or the account relation and the depositor name in the depositor relation, so that we can get the intersected values. And now again, like the union operation, if we want all the values or the names that should be duplicated and repeated every time, we have to use the keyword intersect all. Other than we can put the distinct keyword as like the union operation. Now we can see that the intersect all keyword will be used to place all the duplicated values. And the distinct keyword can be used as same like the union operation. Now the next operation is the except operation. The except operation will give us the exact opposite of intersect operation, and just like the intersect operation, there should be the exact data type matching between two or more of the attributes that are being compared or used as an exception or an intersection. So in exception, say suppose the customer name in loan except the depositor name in depositor. So the depositor who has not deposited their values to the loan amount, we are actually fetching the list of them. So by which we can get that? We will use this query followed by now. So can we fetch the list of the customers who has not deposited to their loan amount. So it works same as the set difference operator in a relational algebra, so as to use the except operator in this SQL queries. Now it is very interesting to use except all command, because say suppose there is John two times because he is holding two loan accounts. Now that the John has paid to his one loan account and not paid to another loan account, so we need to recognize it by duplicating all the values. Now if we put the except all keyword here, so it will make that John who has paid to his one loan account also be discarded from the list. So John will be considered as not a payee to this loan account. So we need to use this except all command very carefully, because it can be deleted all the records we don't want to lose. So that is all for the set operations and SQL queries. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.